The spring charging motor is used to automatically recharge the circuit breaker closing spring. The use of the motor makes it possible to dispense with manual reloading and to always have a spring loaded in a normal position. Before operating, discharge the main springs and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs. Push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. To remove the ACB front cover, unscrew the 4 screws all around the cover. After that, you can pull on the handle to ease the removal of the cover. The spring charging motors are installed next to the charging handle. For motor installation, be sure to align with the motor hole with the ACB access. To do this, you can rotate the motor hole with the help of a flathead screwdriver. Insert the motor. You can then fix the motor with the screw. Plug the motor connector on the connector interface at the correct place. Indication MO for motor. Insert a terminal block type A in the base located on the top of the chassis. Lock it, thanks to the quarter turns located on the TV label holder. To put back the front cover of the ACB, pull on the handle, place the cover and screw in the 4 screws.